Hi guys, my name is Jasmine McDonald and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, hello, you may as well hit subscribe because you're already here anyways. Today's video, I changed up the venue a little bit. We are sitting on my couch in front of the bed because I wanted to get nice and comfy and cozy with you guys. I will be answering some of your questions for my monthly Q&A. I posted a community post on my YouTube channel for February's Q&A and you guys asked a ton of questions I'm so excited to get into, so why don't we just right into it. First question comes from Catherine Smoo. I have two questions. Love it. How old were you when you started ballet? When I started ballet, I started when I was 3 or 4, and I started taking it seriously when I was 14. So I did classes like once a week or twice a week at my old studio, which was mainly a competitive studio. So I did focus a lot in ballet because it was my favorite dance style, but I didn't start taking it seriously until I was 13 or 14. I was 14. Yeah, I was 14 when I went to Canada's National Ballet School. Before then, my studio was incredible. I had amazing teachers who really pushed me and actually suggested the audition for the ballet school, which I auditioned for 3 times or 2 times. Didn't get in either time, but you know what they say, third time's the charm. I would say that I started when I was 3 or 4 taking like recreational classes, and then I joined the competitive team when I was 11, and that's when I had my first ballet solo. And then I joined professional ballet school when I was 14, and that's when I started doing it every day, because before then I think I had it once a week or twice a week. Recreationally at 3, professionally at 14, and seriously at 14. And do you have any ideas on how someone could practice their turns at home despite having a very slippery floor? Absolutely. There's a lot of tools like turning boards that you can buy on Amazon or on Sancha.com, or a lot of different dance shops sell them. However, if you do not have the funds, means, or you just don't want to buy another thing, another good way to practice turns is mainly working on your balance and coordination, because those are the 2 things that play a role the most in pirouettes and turns. And if you're practicing at home, I know it's hard to practice in carpet, so a lot of people don't have the luxury of having slippery floors. In fact, mine are too slippery, so I need to actually put up my dance floor once in a while to use it. So I would really focus on strengthening your core, strengthening and refining your balance, as well as your coordination. Charity Luck asks, hi Jasmine, how old were you when you started NBS? 14 years old. What was your home studio before then? My home studio before then was in my town where I grew up in London, Ontario. It's Extreme Inc. and they're super awesome and amazing. They're a competitive studio, but I didn't join the competitive team until I was 11, I think. And I joined the pre-competitive team and I joined the full competitive team for 1 year or 2 years. I can't remember. I think it was 2 years. How old were you when you started to dance? About 3 or 4. I think it was actually 4. I think I started gymnastics when I was 1.5. And so yeah, I started doing gymnastics then I started doing dance when I was 4, and I did piano when I was 3. That's the age 3 I started stuff. My daughter loves your YouTube and Instagram. Thank you so much, Charity Luck. That's so sweet. I can't believe how much we have grown this community in the last few months. Even on TikTok, like I looked this morning, there's 17.1 thousand people, and that makes me so incredibly grateful. Same with my YouTube channel. I think today is about to hit 3,000. I'm just like, I never would have thought when I started YouTube that this audience would grow so much and this community would get so wholesome and positive and amazing. So thank you, everybody. Frojian Slip. Jasmine, would you consider bringing us a full Pointe class soon, and why don't you have a bar in your home for class and always use a chair? So I answered this one in text as well because I didn't want to keep you waiting too long, but I am uploading a Pointe class, which is today, and today's date is February 24th, so I'll put that in the link down below as well as in the cards up here. Yes, so not a full Pointe class, but it's still like a shorter Pointe class just because I'm waiting to have extra studio space, and right now I don't have a ton of studio space. I'm just at home. I don't have time to go into the studio, but when I do, you bet I'm going to do a ballet class and a full Pointe class. And I use a chair just because honestly bars are really expensive and they work the exact same. They're actually kind of better than bars in some ways because they really challenge your balance and make sure that you're not relying on the bar too much and relying on an external source to keep your balance. You really have to keep your own balance. Next question comes from Fernando. I wonder if you could show us calf strength and stability workout. Absolutely. Another one that just dropped 2 days ago was my ankle strength mobility workout, or my ankle strength and mobility training routine. Somebody requested a foot exercise workout, so I did do that the other day. It is on my YouTube channel already, but comment down below if you want to see another one as well, because honestly, ankle stability and core are my favorite things to work on. I feel like they're like people's least favorite, but I love working on them. I do calisthenics and there's not many options more than calf raises. I completely agree. A lot of good exercise I can tell you right now is doing a full raise on a block or an elevated surface, bending your knee, keeping your ankle exactly in the place that it's supposed to be, and then stretching it, not moving your ankle. So you really work on the stability in the joint. Also being on the tippy toes is very painful. So if you could show some accessible but also hard exercises, absolutely go check out that video if you have time, and I will post a new video if you want some more options. Comment down below. Are the workouts you post the ones you do yourself, like for your own advancement from Sela? Yes, they are. Honestly, I don't follow a workout routine other than my own. I used to follow Move with Nicole a lot. So at the moment, I'm just following my own and doing my own thing because I am a certified personal trainer as well as a dance coach and a dance teacher. So I follow my own routine, and I just like doing what my body feels best doing. So I don't have a strict out schedule because I'm also not working towards a specific goal for my body. I'm just kind of doing what feels good. If that makes any sense? Like, I know a lot of people do like leg day on Monday and then Tuesday arms and then core and then full body, etc., and have a very strict routine. I recommend that if you are going for specific body goals, but I am not, so I'm just completely doing whatever I want because my job is also very physical, so I don't feel like I have the need to work on a specific part of my body. And I'm also just comfortable with where I am right now, so I'm just trying to be as healthy, flexible, mobile, strong as possible. That answers your question. So yes, I do follow my own workouts. Are you working at a company? I am not at the moment. I did work at a company for 5 years prior to coming back to Canada. I miss working at a company, but at the same time, I don't, because I had like no free time. Pay, to be quite transparent, wasn't that good at a dance company. I'm definitely doing better than I was at a dance company and working less hours and putting my body through less. Worked at 2 companies total in my career, and I guessed it at another one, a couple of others. I thought about doing auditions this year, but honestly, I just bought a house this year and it's kind of further away than Toronto than I would like if I was to commute. So I'm just, yeah, no. I'm old anyways. Give the younger people a chance to do it because they can probably do it better than me anyways. I'm happy dancing in my living room, in my bedroom, and teaching. I love what I'm doing right now. So no, I am not at a company presently. I know this is kind of short, but I talk really fast in the mornings after I have coffee. So let me just double check I didn't miss any questions. So thank you so much, guys, for all of your support. I am so excited for the next month because I have 2 exciting collaborations coming out our way, and oh my gosh, one of them already arrived in the mail today and I can't talk about it yet, but I will show you guys probably next week or the week after, and I'm so excited for it. But thank you again so much for all your support, and thanks for hanging out with me every day that I post a video. It really does feel like I'm making friends, especially moving to a new place. I know this is a side note and not related to any of the questions you guys asked, but especially moving to a new place where I don't know anybody, it has been really comforting to have you guys with me and to have a growing community while I go to a brand new place and have a brand new job. Virtually no friends in person because they're so far away, so it really does feel like I'm not alone. I know that's so cheesy, and I hope this feels like you guys aren't alone because I love you all, and thanks again for all the support. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe and bye now.